Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the sheet that has the header row. Make sure that header is a single, contiguous row. Select the first row below the header so Excel knows where to lock the top. Then go to the View tab and choose Freeze Panes, right arrow Freeze Panes. This locks rows above your selection. Once done, scroll to confirm the header stays visible. Make sure to save. Freezing applies per sheet and won't carry over unless you repeat it. Next, set headers to repeat on printouts so viewers always see column names. Open Page Layout and click Print Titles. In the dialog, set rows to repeat at top and pick your header row range. This is why you choose the exact row range. Excel prints repeated headings only for the specified rows. Once selected, use Print Preview to check alignment, margins, and scaling. If columns spill onto extra pages, adjust page setup or try Fit Sheet on one page to preserve readability. To finish, consider converting your range into an Excel table which preserves header row behavior and adds filters. Table design keeps the header visible during some operations. If Freeze Panes doesn't work, immediately unfreeze, remove splits, and check for merged cells in the top rows. Those often prevent freezing. Once fixed, reapply Freeze Panes and verify printing titles. Save a template with headers and print settings so you don't repeat these steps. Troubleshooting tip: merged cells are the most common blocker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.